Hello friends, today we're going to learn about tornado. You have seen cone-shaped clouds what look like black and cone-shaped wads. They look like. A tornado is a type of thunderstorm. It was the very dangerous storms ever recorded ever. Tornado occurs when a large storm known as a thunderstorm, I mean a large one, when a large thunder strikes, then a tornado is formed. Let's learn more about it. A tornado, scientists have learned about tornadoes these things. When cold and moist winds come near a cloud, of a thunder cloud, and after that, when they come closer and the other side, the warm wind comes, the warm and moist wind, and after when those winds collide each other, the cold and moist wind is the heavier winds of all, and the hot and moist winds are light. So the cold moist wind slides down of the hot moist wind, and after that, when it slides down, it makes a rolling cloud. We can't see it because that time the winds and the giant cloud is on the top of them, and then it makes a vortex, and after that the warm wind starts to rotate inside the cloud, and after that the wind gets faster and faster and faster and faster and faster, and after that it starts to suck all of the clouds surrounding it, and then it creates a vortex, and after that the vortex turns into a tornado, and now the wind have enough energy to turn into a tornado. That's how a tornado forms. The largest tornado ever recorded was in Bangladesh. All 3,000 people had died, and all 400 houses and villages were destroyed. And we have made, in our previous video, we have learned about clouds, so please check out that video. The tornadoes look fascinating because they spin and create a cloud cone. And do you know what happens if you got caught in a tornado? Well, we will make a video on that topic. The tornadoes are the horrible clouds and the storms ever known. Okay, so thanks for watching our video, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe and our channel and share our videos. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.